Hey folks, I'm opening this mystery pack. I paid like $45 in here. Let's see what kind of cards. When I do a mystery pack, I show all the cards off. Give me. So I come in these two packets. Let's see what kind of cards I get. Couple rookies. First one. Second card. Trying to find some players I know. That's kind of a cool card. Mostly rookies so far. Peters and Silvio. Jack Collins. I don't know this guy. That's kind of a cool card. Well, that's kind of cool. Oh yeah, Gary Sheffield, rookie, or something like that. I don't know what year this card came out. 93. I think it was one of his rookie card. Oh, got good early card. Will pass. I think it's 94. Tops. Last. There we go. Other tops. I'm trying to make these be a short. Milky one. There's mostly players. It's kind of cool cards, like a Christmas card. Do be as Dodger. Even Lux. Got a card of a remake of the 60s. JD 10 out of 15 photos. That's kind of cool. Kind of really thin card. Gotta be careful. Oh! Grand Good Jr. One of my favorite players. He got a prize hyper. Guess he's with the Washington. He went to the Phillies. Oh, and Mike Square. One of the great players. Chrome or something. Our Pujols. Got leased by the Angels this year. Anthony Rose. That's our card. Let's see here. It's like the last package. I'm gonna double check. Yeah, it's like the last package. White card. Not sure, a machine or something. Never seen that card before. Got a rookie card. This game in that was the way it came in. Kristen Perch. Tampa Bay Tornadoes. Like Gypsy King Queen card. Oh, it's kind of cool. Filled. You got yourself like the junior, Fernando Tatis Jr. and Matty Martinez. That's kind of cool to have. Oh, I got a Hall of Famer rookie card. Ray Walker with Expos. Didn't want him to be because he played in Colorado. It was too easy for him. Shut up. That's kind of cool. Terrence Cars, Texas. He's from Dan Point. Beautiful beach. Trevor Story. I think it's like 45 total. Wesley Reeby. Mitch Hunger. And the last one is this guy. So I paid $45. I got a good collection. No complaints. So tell me what you think. Like and subscribe. And then we'll go from there. We do different things on this channel. Some videos are longer, shorter. But wherever I feel like it. Because I'm in control. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.